My name is Ayok David Ayok. I'm from Cameroon. I've come to return all the glory to God. In my past years behind, I cannot remember. I had an accident that my legs were disabled. My one leg was taller than the other because of the accident. I cannot remember the years behind. And I've been feeling pains. In sitting down, I cannot sit down. I'm feeling discomfortable in sitting down, in standing, and even walking. But during the Jehovah, the doctor yesterday, Papa lay hands on me. I feel the power of God on me. Today I can stand well, I can walk well.
You don't understand. It was a creative miracle. He told me that before Papa prayed for him, one of the legs was shorter than the other. He could not stand like this. He was bending, as you can see. He could not even do it very well now because God has restored his leg.
Please, let's give the Lord.
Shout to God.
Someone.
Celebrate Jesus with a
Listen.
shout.
Someone had one short leg grow out. And we are seated comfortably as if nothing happened. One leg was longer than the other. And after the prayers yesterday, the leg grew out. Let's give the Lord a mighty clap offering.
Papa, creative miracle here. Come here.
What is that?
Papa said this young man is from Cameroon. When he came and we're registering him, the right leg was shorter than the left. In fact, when he stood, he could not stand straight unless he opens his leg. After you prayed for him now, he just ran to us and said, his leg has become balanced. The short leg has grown. Papa, look at him.
And you walk now, let's see.
Balance.
One leg was longer.
One leg was longer than the other one.
Give Jesus a big clap offering.